Hey, I'm Dominic, call sign KM6RRF.
And I'm Jacob, call sign KM6QGX.
And I'm Ken, KM6BKU.
And this is our EE123 final project. This is the transmission side of our project. So we start with the raw image and put it through several compression blocks sorted by total transmission size and reconstruction accuracy. We start with lossless compression with only gzip, and then we move to adding JPEG and downsampling if we need further compression. For all of these, we add Hamming single error correction codes for more reliability. We then put it into a bit stream by adding a PLL lock, a flag, some metadata to describe which compression strategy was used, and then a footer. We then modulate all of this data with AFSK 1200 and then send it over radio.
This is the modulation and sending part of our project. We started out with the baseline implementation of AFSK 1200 from Lab 4 to keep it simple. We also experimented with our very own modulation scheme called DJK 1200, which essentially takes the 3 kHz bandwidth, divides it up into some integer number n of multiplexing frequencies, and performs on-off keying on these frequencies. This is what a sample spectrum might look like for n equals 3. Simulations showed that any n above 2, however, led to intolerably many corruptions, so we just played it safe by using AFSK 1200.
On the reception side of the project, after receiving the data, we use a phase lock loop to AFSK 1200 demodulate the data, and we find the flag at the beginning of the data, after which comes our metadata, which we decode to determine which Hamming scheme we use to encode the image and the original width and height of the image. Afterwards, we ungzip the rest of the data and unjpeg if we need to, and upsample if we need to get the original image back. Here we are on the transmission side of our project setup. We are going to transmit the midterm image across the room. Here we have the rundown of our scheme explained earlier. We tried different schemes and according to this, they took too long. This transmission is going to take 74.9 seconds and the pre-processing time took 23.4 seconds. And here we are transmitting it. And here we are on the reception side. You can see that we got the metadata up here returned and our original image. Post-processing time 10.5 seconds, PSNR 22.58.